Good day, children. Now we will be continuing with our pronouns. Okay, we will be doing exercise 2. Before we move on to exercise 2, we must understand this pronoun properly. Okay, look at here. This is a conversation between two friends, Vihan and Ron. Here, Vihan is the speaker. Okay, Vihan is the speaker. Remember Vihan here. What is he saying? Come here, Ron. I shall give you my book. Vihan is the speaker. He is speaking to Ron. So the person who is the speaker is the first person, that is I or me. And to whom you are speaking is the second person, and that is always you. जो बात करता है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन, हमेशा आई और मी, और जिससे तुम बात करते हो वो सेकेंड पर्सन, यू. ओके, सो हियर विहान इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन, वो बात कर रहा है. ही इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन, दैट इज वाई आई और मी, एंड ही इज स्पीकिंग टू रॉन. सो रॉन इज द सेकेंड पर्सन. ओके, सो हियर I is Vihan and you is Ron. In this first sentence, I is Vihan and you is Ron. I'm explaining again. Here Vihan is the speaker, that is why I. Ron is the person spoken to. It will always be you. Now let us go to the second sentence. Now here Ron is the speaker. Okay? Ron is speaking. I will not take the book from you. I shall take it from Sovind. So here Ron is the speaker and he is speaking to Vihan. Ron बात कर रहा है. He is the first person. He is speaking. He is the first person. He is talking to Vihan. वो विहान से बात कर रहा है. So Vihan is the second person. I is always the first person, you is always the second person. I जो बात करता है और विहान जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Repeat. First person is the person who speaks and second person is the person who listens. What is saying? I will not take the book from you. I shall take it from Sovind. Now here I is Ron because Ron is speaking. You is Vihan because Ron is speaking to Vihan. Again here I is Ron because the speaker is Ron. Here it is the pronoun used for book. It is something that signifies an object or animals or birds. Okay, flowers, plants, trees, animal, birds or objects. Here book is the object, that is why it. Got it? Let us go to the third sentence. Here, Vihan is the speaker, so he is the first person. He is speaking to Ron, so he is the second person. Okay? But where is Sovind? He has gone home, I think. So you can take the book only from me. Here, Vihan is the speaker, so no doubt about I and me. The person who speaks is always I or me, right? No doubt about you. Because here you is Ron, Vihan is speaking to Ron, so you is Ron, जिससे बात कर रहे हैं, that is Ron, right? The problem here is with he. Who is he? He is Sovind. Sovind. Now Vihan is talking about Sovind. Sovind के बारे में बात कर रहा है and Sovind is a boy, that is why he. Okay? About whom we talk. The third person, हम जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं, that is he, she, it, they, accordingly. Okay? Now let us go to our exercise. In sentence 1, for which noun is I used? I is used for Vihan because Vihan is the speaker. For which noun is you used? You is used for Ron because Ron is the person spoken to. So this is Vihan, this is Ron. In sentence 2, for which noun is I used? In sentence 2, I is Ron because Ron is the speaker. For which noun is you used? You is used for Vihan because Vihan is the listener. Again, in sentence 3, for which noun is he used? Here, he is used for Sovin because he is the third person. We are talking about Sovin, so he is Sovin. For which noun is I used? I is used for Vihan because in the third sentence the speaker is Vihan. For which noun is you used? You is used for Ron because Vihan is speaking to Ron. You is always the second person to whom we are talking. Please get it clear. For which noun is me used? Me is again Vihan because he is the first person who is speaking. See here. I or me is used for the name of the person speaking. You is used for the name of the person spoken to, and he is used for the name of person spoken about. So, repeating the answers. Vihan, Ron, Vihan, Sovind, Vihan, Ron, Vihan.